The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northern Howard County in central Maryland, northern Montgomery County in central Maryland, east-central Frederick County in north-central Maryland, western Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Taneytown to 6 miles north of Mount Airy to near Green Valley to near Boyd's, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Pikesville, Westminster, Damascus, Ellicott City, Woodlawn, Reynoldstown, Owings Mills, Eldersburg, Milford Mill, Reisterstown, Lockern, Mount Airy, Hampstead, Manchester, Sickesville, Oakland, Gamber, Garrison, New Windsor, and Union Bridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The severe thunderstorm